Namaskar everyone. I am just here to show you something that we have done recently. This is just in a verge of completion. I think it is complete. It is over actually. Bit of cleaning is going on over there. So this is a vertical garden, and I should tell you that this is a very prestigious place for us, and the owner of this place is one of the eminent persons in Calcutta. And this vertical garden is like this large. I'll request you to just focus on the on from that side. From that side, just focus from that side. Yeah. Yeah. Show it from that side. Yeah. Actually, that side is another property, and this side is actually our garden. So we have done this vertical garden, and then this is a door, back door basically, and this is a cement fiber board, and behind this, whatever you are observing here, behind this there is a iron structure, steel structure. This is a MS, a mild steel structure is there, and then the aluminum structure is there. Here is also the same thing we have created basically. So here in the vertical garden is up to this. This is a natural garden actually up to this level, and here we have used a artificial creeper plant make panel basically, because this is inside, and I didn't want to everyday watering will be a problem for this area. This is basically first is a MS skeleton, then the aluminum structure, and then this cement fiber board. And the paint has been done like this way. The veins should come out from the surface actually. This from these planks, and here same thing has been done the same way. It has been done. See in the ceiling also. Just focus on the ceiling, please. This is a tray planter. We have suggested a tray planter over here. The Buddha bamboo, another is the golden bamboo, and this is a ribbon grass we have used here. So for the filler plant. So and some bougainvillea bed over here. So this is a break from the monotony actually. So this is a continuation of this up to this area.
Yes, of course. This is one of the largest roof garden we have created lastly, and also yes, it belongs to one of the most eminent personalities of Kolkata. Namaskar, this is Falguni and you are watching IFC Landscapes. In this episode, I will show you and walk through of a simple and elegant roof garden.
So this is the continuation of the tray, as you can see here, and we have given two layers of plants. One is a filler and another is a haze. So this is the tall plants we have used, some tall plants, palm trees, and then here these palm trees. This is a champagne palm basically, and this filler is here. I have used this grass filler actually on the tray, and here some simple plants are here, some filler, some haze, and these are just just been installed actually. Plantation has been done recently, so the pruning has not been done yet. It will take some more time. Here we have created a pergola basically.
While designing, we tried our best to maintain simplicity of this place, but beauty and elegance have been taken care of in a balanced manner. And about the installation of the pergola, I should tell you, the mother slab was not perforated by the fastener who left the pergola, but it is just standing by itself, and this is concretized at the time of tiling work on the floor. Surprisingly, what you are observing here feels like wood is actually made with glass fiber.
In the floor, we have used vitrified tiles. It looks like wooden, but it is a vitrified tiles, and this is a granite border. Checkers tiles for the floor, and the continuation of the tray is over here. So this side is a bedroom house actually. This is for the entertainment purpose actually, and so this is what actually we have done here.
The tray planters are placed on a cantilever made with stainless steel sections and mounted on the parapet wall, and this way the weight is distributed to the pillars and beams. Inside the planter, it has been laminated with a layer of glass fiber. Aluminium sections have been used to make the structure of the planters.
I will come up with another video just to show you the plants are grown and the pruning has been done. So that will be like a couple of months later. So right now this is the basic scenario here. The installation has been done completely. The cleaning part is going on. So this is the simplest and largest garden we have created, with a checkers floor and a pergola and some tree planters, and over there a big vertical garden. So this has two parts. That was the last part was the backyard, and this is the front yard of the bedroom house. Thank you.
this is how this place blooms in the evening. Hope you did like this video. So please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press the bell icon to get new notifications. Follow us in Instagram and Facebook, links are given below. I will come up with more videos. Please stay tuned, and for now, pranam.